Hi, I'm here to talk about our 2017 commercial launch for Wilsonart. What we have found is when we go out and do our trend spotting throughout the country and throughout the world is that these trends that we're seeing and these styles that we're seeing are really evolving and starting to blend with one another. These common elements that are crossing over from one style to the next or from one trend to the next really allow for that development of new and exciting spaces, new and exciting products, new and exciting colors and designs. And with this collection, we feel it very much addresses what we see happening right now, but not only that, what we see happening in the next few years. The connection that we're seeing in the marketplace these days comes from the act of linking one thing to another, whether those things are people, ideas, knowledge, places, or experiences. All of these things have common elements that can be put together to create something fresh and new. And when we look at the act of connection, if we liken that to something like a chaotic pile of jump rings on a table, it can go from chaos to a very beautiful, organized piece of chainmail. And it's that act of linking and connecting between the different trends we see in the marketplace that allows for the viability of a collection like this one that Wilsonart is introducing for 2017. And the trends that we see connecting are authentic, craft, innovate, personalize, and revival. The trend of authentic is honest beauty without needless ornamentation and void of visual excess. It connects the users of a space to the pure intention of a space. With this in mind, we identified the opportunity to release two new solid colors. These designs are exactly what they are intended to be, pure solid color, in today's hottest neutral, gray. Both feature remarkable depth and presence. 3 more designs currently available in our residential line transition to our commercial collection. This fulfills an increased demand for residential materials in commercial spaces. For example, workplaces are being designed to feel more casual and home-like, and these engineered designs provide the natural and refined look and feel of stone without the typical installation and maintenance worries that come with using real materials. The trend of craft really addresses globalization that's happened in the world market today. People yearn for those uniquely crafted items that speak to them about other lands, other people, other places in time, or even life experiences. Casual and residential in feel, these 3 large-scale planked wood grain designs come in varied colors and perfectly represent a material often used in crafting. Planked California walnut and antique bourbon feature warm traditional colors, while antique marula pine features elements of warm honey and cool sophisticated gray that answers the demand for a weathered natural look. When we talk about the trend of innovate, we really see that manifesting itself in 2 different ways. We see ordinary materials being used in extraordinary ways, and we also see new and exciting technology that are bringing exciting materials to the workplace. 3 of today's most popular colors, black, white, and gray, make their way into the commercial collection, not because of their widespread practicality, but because of the innovative technology. These designs are part of Wilsonart's Traceless Laminate collection. They feature a fingerprint-resistant technology that conceals smears, smudges, and streaks, and each design is accompanied by a velvety, soft-to-the-touch, super matte texture. The trend of personalization continues to be a strong one in every market today. When we talk about surfaces, personalization allows end users, the architectural and design community, and manufacturers to connect on a level that they never have before. The development of new and exciting designs that meet specific needs and allow for that customization. These 3 new patterns are optical solids that feature our new dimensional lineal texture called Lino Weave. Subtle yet sophisticated, each of these 3 new designs fuses color and texture. The trend of revival propels the past into the future. What we see are elements that were important previously in traditional and other styles are being updated with a twist that make them relevant in today's marketplace. We're pleased to introduce 6 new wood grain designs featuring a new and innovative grain match technology called Align Texture. This texture synchronizes the surface texture and visual pattern for striking clarity and richness. Authentic realism is brought to the surface as each elegantly aged oak design exhibits the natural dimension and feel of real wood. Trends will continue to come and go, to dominate and fade, which is why it's important to pay attention to those elements that connect within each of the trends. We here at Wilsonart are committed to designing and developing engineered surfaces that will be relevant for architects and designers for years to come.